Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today you will practice easy English conversations for daily life. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Let's begin. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What do you do? I'm a student. Where do you live? I live in New York City. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite drink? I like coffee. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like? I like rock music. Do you play an instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your favorite movie? I enjoy comedy movies. Do you watch TV often? Yes, every evening. What's your favorite TV show? I like Friends. Do you enjoy reading? Yes, I love reading books. What's your favorite book? I like mystery novels. Do you like sports? Yes, I enjoy soccer. Can you play chess? Yes, I can. Do you enjoy hiking? Yes, I love hiking. Do you like camping? Yes, camping is fun. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I do. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can. Do you enjoy dancing? Yes, I love dancing. Can you whistle? Yes, I can whistle. Do you like photography? Yes, I enjoy taking photos. What's your favorite fruit? Mango is my favorite fruit. What's your favorite dessert? Chocolate cake. Do you enjoy fishing? Yes, I enjoy fishing. Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I have. Where did you go last vacation? I went to Thailand. Do you enjoy shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping. Do you like going to the beach? Yes, I love the beach. What's your favorite animal? I love dolphins. Do you enjoy painting? Yes, I love painting. Have you ever ridden a horse? Yes, I have. Can you juggle? No, I can't. Can you do yoga? Yes, I practice yoga. Do you enjoy video games? Yes, I love video games. What's your favorite hobby? Playing guitar. Do you enjoy long walks? Yes, they are relaxing. Do you enjoy board games? Yes, very much. Can you cook pasta? Yes, I can. Do you like coffee or tea? I prefer coffee. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you work on weekends? Sometimes I do. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Can you speak another language? Yes, I speak Spanish. Do you like studying English? Yes, it's fun. What's your dream job? I want to be a pilot. Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Have you ever been on a plane? Yes, many times. Do you like winter? Yes, I like snow. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas is my favorite. Do you like going to parties? Yes, they are fun. Can you dance salsa? A little bit. Have you ever gone skiing? Yes, I have. Can you do a cartwheel? No, I can't. Do you enjoy museums? Yes, I love museums. Have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, many times. Do you enjoy concerts? Yes, I do. What kind of concerts do you like? I enjoy jazz concerts. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? No, I can't. Do you enjoy comedy movies? Yes, they make me laugh. Have you ever gone scuba diving? Yes, once. Can you do a backflip? No, I can't. Do you enjoy picnics? Yes, especially in summer. Have you ever traveled alone? Yes, I have. Do you enjoy bike rides? Yes, very much. What's your favorite flower? Roses are my favorite. Do you enjoy live theater? Yes, I do. Can you do magic tricks? No, I can't. Do you enjoy art museums? Yes, I love art. What's your favorite cuisine? I love Italian food. Do you enjoy Mexican food? Yes, it's delicious. Can you play basketball? Yes, a little. Do you enjoy swimming? Yes, especially in summer. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Chocolate. Do you like cats or dogs? I prefer dogs. Do you enjoy road trips? Yes, they are exciting. Have you ever climbed a mountain? Yes, once. Do you enjoy exercising? Yes, it keeps me healthy. Can you sing well? A little bit. Do you like mornings or nights? I prefer mornings. What's your favorite color? Blue is my favorite color. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Can you use a computer well? Yes, I can. Do you enjoy learning new things? Yes, every day. Do you like going to restaurants? Yes, I do. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat eggs and toast. How much does this cost? It costs $10. Are you ready to practice English every day? Yes, I am. Listen and repeat. Do you speak English? What's your favorite food? Can you swim? Where are you from? How much does this cost? Are you ready to practice English every day? Great job. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.